Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope everyone is having a prosperous new year. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my ball cap method. I have braided my client's hair straight to the back, and I am applying some gel to her edges just to slick her edges back and her baby hair back. So when I do my ball cap method, I do use lace adhesive. I do not apply it to the client's hair. I do outline the hairline, but I place the glue in front of the hair, so no glue will be on the client's hair. And I just like to use this method because it helps the ball cap lay seamlessly. Once you are done applying the glue around the outline, you will use your finger to press the glue into the cap, and then I spray some hairspray behind the glue outline, and then I place the client under the dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes until this is completely dry. So once the cap is dry, just take your shears and cut around the outline of that glue, and just make sure that you get as close to the outline as possible so that you have a seamless ball cap. Now we are going to apply some makeup. So I am using the Ruby Kisses. This is the level 12. There are two sides to this cream foundation, and I am using the darkest side. So you just take your foundation brush and you just blend in the makeup onto the cap so that the cap matches her skin tone, and it will give a bald effect. Here are the results. I hope you guys found this technique easy, and I hope you are able to implement this method. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.